Hello, in today's video tutorial I will show you how to change a weapon in Doom: The Dark Ages. So there is a few methods to change a weapon. First will be by using your scroll. You can scroll down or up to choose a different weapon. Second option will be pressing Q for a little bit, and as you can see, the wheel is open on the right side and we can choose manually what gun we want to use. And of course we can use a numbers button on keyboard. So I press 1, I have a shotgun, I press 2, I've got the automatic weapon. And that will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!